In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Klaviyo profiles with our step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Exporting profiles from Klaviyo can be incredibly useful for managing your customer data, whether you're transferring it to another marketing tool or analyzing it further in a spreadsheet. Let's dive in and take you through the process to make it easy and efficient. First, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to klaviyo.com/login and enter your credentials to gain access. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub from where we'll start our export journey. Now let's navigate to the Profiles section. Look to the left-hand sidebar, find the Audience menu, and click on Profiles. This area will display your full list of contacts, both active and inactive, giving you visibility into all your stored customer data. With the profiles in view, it's time to decide which profiles you wish to export. You have the option to export all profiles or just specific segments or lists. If you're targeting a specific group, click on Audience again and select Lists and Segments. Here, you can choose a particular list like newsletter subscribers, or a segment such as engaged users to focus your export on. Once you've pinpointed your desired list or segment, it's time to manage it. At the top right of your selected list or segment, you'll notice a drop-down menu for management options. If you're in a list, click on Manage List, or if it's a segment, choose Manage Segment. From there, select Export List to CSV, which will prompt the system to begin the export process. Next, a pop-up will appear for you to choose your export settings. Decide on the data columns you want to include in your export. These could be anything from names and emails to consent statuses and tags. After making your selections and confirming your preferences, hit the Start Export button. Be patient as the export processes. It typically doesn't take long. Once ready, a download link will appear under Exports on your dashboard. Click on the Download CSV button to receive your file, usually named something like Klaviyo list export.csv. This will save the file to your computer, ready for the next step. Finally, open and review your exported file. Use a program like Google Sheets, Excel, or any other compatible spreadsheet app. Here, you'll see all your profile data laid out in an easy-to-read format. This organization can be incredibly beneficial for further data manipulation or import into other tools. Speaking of which, you can efficiently import this data into platforms like MailChimp, HubSpot, or your CRM to keep your marketing efforts streamlined and effective. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Klaviyo profiles, a skill that can enhance how you manage and utilize your customer data for better business insights and outreach strategies. Thanks for watching and happy export.